the name of the Father, of the Son, of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Angel of God, my Lord, here to whom gospel and trust you. Every day, at my side, and trust you and my faith. Okay, you may now sit down. So, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am.
How are you today?
Very good, Ma'am.
Okay, that's nice to hear. So, secretary, who is absent for today?
Ma'am.
Oh, that's nice. Please maintain class, okay?
Yes, Ma'am.
But before we start, what are the things needed in order to understand well our lesson for today? Can you give one, Miss Erica?
Just raise your hands if you want to answer.
Very good. What else? Miss Jane.
Sit properly, Ma'am.
That's correct. What else, anak Daniela?
Listen carefully.
Correct. What else, Jessa?
Cooperate, Ma'am.
That's right. And if there is group activity, what should you do?
Participate.
Yes, Daniela?
Participate.
Correct. That's right. What else? Yes, Rose?
Do not fight each other.
Yes, that's right. You have to exchange ideas or knowledge about the topic you are going to do. Understood, class?
Yes, Ma'am.
Very good. Now, do you still remember our lesson for today? Yesterday, Ida?
Yes, Ma'am.
What is that all about again?
Solid, liquid, and
And
gas.
what do you call that one?
Bases of matter.
Okay, that's right. Very good. What is liquid again, class? Yes, Anak Rose?
It is something that flows.
Yes. Like for example, who can give me one?
Ma'am.
Yes, Jane?
Ma'am, soft drink.
Yes, that's right. What else? Yes, Jessa?
Water.
Water, exactly. And how about the solid? What is solid? It is the, yes, anak Jane?
A solid is anything that has a weight or a mass, Ma'am.
Yes, exactly. That's right. And an example of solid is, yes, Rose.
Table.
That's right. Because you cannot, a table is not a liquid.
Yes,
Okay. What is gas? What do we call gas? These are the
Air.
yes, an example of gas is air. What else? Also the butane and the
Gasoline.
gasoline and gases. Okay, very good, class. You are all correct. Class, do you want to have a game?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, I have here a jumbled words, and all you have to do is arrange the jumbled words into a correct word. Understood, class?
Yes, Ma'am.
Who wants to come in front? Who wants first to come in front? Me, yes, anak Jessa. Go and arrange the jumbled words. Okay, is Jessa correct, class?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, next, who wants to go in front? Yes, Rose? Is Rose correct, class?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, who wants next? Yes, Daniela? Is Daniela correct?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, who wants next? Yes, Jay. Is Jane correct, class?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, for the last one, who wants to go in front? Yes, Jessa.
McDonald. I can see the apple pie. I smell the sweet spice tree. I can hear the timer ring that says it's time to eat. I can feel the steam so warm rising in the air. I can taste the juicy feeling. Would you like to share?
Do you understand what is the poem all about?
Yes, Mom.
What does the poem all about?
Mom,
Yes, Rose?
it's all about food.
Yes, and that food is?
Apple pie.
Yes. Did you already taste apple pie?
Yes, Mom.
What does it taste like?
Sweet.
Sweet and?
Sour.
Okay, it depends. Now, what can you notice from the poem? It is all about the usage of?
Nose.
Yes, that's right. It is all about the usage of our five senses. And those are the, what can you observe? Who can give me one? Raise your hand. Yes, Rose?
Ears.
Yes, that's right. What else? Daniela?
C for eyes.
Yes, correct. Yes, Jessa?
Nose.
For?
Smell.
Yes, that's right. Yes, Jane?
Taste for tongue.
Yes, that's right. And the last one is?
Skin.
For?
Touching.
Touching, feeling, or sensing. Okay, class. Now that you know all about the poem, now let's move on. And I will be grouping you into two groups. Can you begin counting, Miss Daniela?
1, 2.
Okay, group 1 is Daniela and Jessa. And group 2 is Rose and Jane. Now, all you have to do is for group 1, can you read?
Demonstrate the function of the ears, eyes, and the skin in a simple role play, including the ways on how we should take care of each one of it.
Understood group 1?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, let's read group 2.
Demonstrate the function of nose and tongue in a simple role play, including the ways on how we should take care of each one of it.
Do you understand group 2?
Yes, Mom.
Do you have any questions about this?
None, Mom.
Okay, and I will give you 3 minutes to make to meet your group mate. And okay, you may now go with your group. And afterwards, you will be performing in front.
You're so stingy. May I taste you? You're stingy. Please go home and take a bath. Am I not delicious? Taste it again. It's tasting like your lies. Now, let's take care of our nose and tongue so that we can notice the food and hear the food. Oh no, my food.
Are you okay here? Okay.
We have to remove the boogers. Go, booger. Yes. And how about really? What should I do? You should cross on top. One more thing.
Okay, group 2 is finished. How about group 1?
Not yet, Mom.
Okay, take your time.
Oh, it's so hot.
You may now sit, group 2, and wait for your classmate.
It's burning. Oh my God. What should I do? Go to the doctor and ask them to recommend some sunscreen.
Are you done, group 1?
Yes,
Okay. So before you proceed, I want you to be guided with our criteria, which is expression and action, 20%, teamwork, 15%, creativity is 15% for a total of 50%. Are you ready, group 1?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, proceed in front.
Really? But
Hey, you're turning red.
I know.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, scary.
You should go to the doctor and have some checkup. Are you allergic in sun?
I don't know. It might be, but it's so hot. I think I got sunburn.
Oh, go to the doctor and ask them what sunscreen you should use to avoid getting red.
Okay. Do you think it's effective?
Yes, because my mother used it a lot.
Okay, I might try some.
Okay,
Let's go now. Okay.
Okay, let's go for group 1. You're so very good. Okay, now group 2, you may now proceed. Hi, Jane.
Oh my god.
You're so stinky.
You're so
Oh my god. Get away from me.
But I did that. But I
Pumunta ka
didn't
sa
take a
far
bath.
away.
But I
You're
didn't
so
take a bath.
stinky.
No, I'm
I
not.
think,
Maybe you just
Mom,
have a dirty in your
Mom, I
nose.
think there's a booger in my nose because Jane is so stinky.
I think I took a bath.
You didn't took a bath.
I took a bath. See, my hair
Mom,
is still
please
wet.
check my nose.
There's no boogie there, baby.
There is, Mom. I think,
active.
Mom, I think to avoid,
She just don't want me
Mom,
to
I
play
think
with.
to take care of my nose, I think I have to get away with people who smells bad.
No, I'm not bad, you know. Okay, so smell me. Smell me.
Wow, it's already. Oh, my downy. Okay, it's good now. I think my nose is already feeling refreshed. Okay,
I told you.
Can I
you
taste
have
you?
a problem
I
in
think
your
you
nose.
look delicious. Delicious. No.
Stinky to be delicious.
Oh, do you want water?
Oh, can I have?
No, this is mine. I want to use my tongue to taste it.
But that is not
Mm.
clean.
It's not clean? I think it's clean.
Why do you think so?
Okay, I have to brush my teeth now.
That's it. Why did you brush your teeth?
Because I want to take care of my tongue so that I can taste something.
Can I brush my teeth?
Yes, of course.
Can you buy a brush?
Yeah, you can get out.
Okay, let's give room to us.
Yeah. Okay, now can you give yourself a round of applause? Yay! Okay, class, you are all very good for that activity. Now, do you have any questions or clarifications about our activity?
None, Mom.
Okay, let's now proceed.
Let's now proceed with our topic for today.
Now, sense organs are specialized organs that help us to perceive the world around us.
Do you know what sense organs is?
Yes, Mom.
This is our 5 senses, which are the
Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin.
Yes, these are the main 5 senses. This is our 5 main senses. Now, what is the function of our eyes?
To
If
see.
you want to answer, just raise your right hand. Rose?
Eyes is used to see.
Yes, exactly. That's right. And how can you take care of our eyes? By?
Don't
Yes, Jessa?
use phone too much.
Yes, exactly. So that we cannot damage our vision, okay? And what is the effects of keeping our eyes healthy? What could be the effects for us if we keep our eyes healthy? Yes, Jessa?
Clear vision, Mom.
Exactly, clear vision. What else? Yes, Rose.
Mom, we can see beautiful places more
Yes,
clearly.
exactly.
eardrum to hear, like music.
Yes, exactly. And what are the ways that we can keep our ears healthy? What should we do to take care of it? Yes, Rose.
We should not listen to music with too loud volume.
Yes, exactly. What else, Miss Daniela?
Do not use Q-tips in cleaning your ears so that your eardrums wouldn't damage.
Yes, so that if you want your ears to be clean, just use cotton swabs and do not hanyo iyon naguna ijela ang war. Tapnon han nga madami is dagijay eardrum tayo. So what are the effects of keeping our ears healthy? Anya ka diting maupubra ti lapayag tayo kanya tayo. No healthy da. Yes, Rose?
We can listen to instructions more clearly.
Exactly, just like what you are doing to me today. And do you agree, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So we should keep our ears healthy so that we can hear clearly. Next, our nose. What is the function of our nose? Yes, Jessa?
To smell, ma'am.
Yes, our nose is used to smell. Like, what are we smelling? Anya, dagiti mang angot tayo.
Flowers.
Flowers.
Food.
Foods. What else?
Perfume.
Perfumes or scents. Yeah. Our body odor. Oh. Tapos, what are the ways that we can do to keep our nose healthy?
Clean your booger.
Yes, exactly. What should you use when you clean your booger?
Tissue.
Yes?
Hey.
Syempre, hands. And no, the other one, the safetier.
Tissue.
Yeah, that's right. Q-tips. You should use Q-tips to clean your nose so that you cannot hurt or damage your nostrils. So what are the effects of keeping our nose healthy? Yes, Rose.
Cover your nose if someone farts.
Yeah, because that's a bad
Odor.
But farting is not bad because it keeps our body healthy because it releases toxins or bad toxins from our body. Now, what are the effects of keeping our nose healthy? What does nose can do to our body or for ourselves?
To breathe in.
Yes, Jessa?
It helps us to breathe in.
Yes, to breathe fresh air. So take note that we must all keep our eyes, ears, nose healthy. Now, let's move on to tongue. What is the function of our tongue? Yes, Daniela?
Taste food.
Yes, to taste food. And what is the taste of banana?
Sweet.
Yes. How about ampalaya?
Bitter.
Yeah, bitter gourd. It's very bitter. How about calamansi?
Sour.
Yes, that's correct. And what are the ways that we can do to protect our tongue? Yes, Rose.
Consider brushing your tongue if you brush your teeth.
Yes, exactly. We do not brush our teeth only, but let's must include our tongue also, so that it will be clean. And what do you think is the effect of keeping our tongue healthy? Yes, Rose?
If we keep our tongue healthy, we can avoid getting sick.
Yes, exactly. And another one is when we keep our tongue healthy, we can taste food much delicious or tastier. Do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So we should keep our tongue healthy so that we can taste delicious foods. Do you want to not taste foods like its own taste?
No,
Of
ma'am.
course, we all want a delicious foods, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move on to the last one, which is the skin. What is the function of our skin? our skin? Yes, Jessa?
The function of our skin, Mom, is to feel.
Yes, to feel, touch, or sense. When I touch Rose, what do you feel? Is my hand rough? Is my hand soft? Okay, that is the function of our skin. And what are the ways that we can keep our skin healthy?
Mom,
Yes, Jane.
Mom, put a lotion.
Yes, put a lotion on it so that we can avoid or lessen the hydration of our skin or the dryness. Yes, what else, Jessa?
Take a bath, Mom.
Yes, of course, that's important. We should take a bath every day. And how many times?
3 times.
Yes, 3 times or twice. Okay, so when we take care of our skin, what is the effect for us? What is the effect of this when in our body? Yes, Rose.
We can avoid getting rashes.
Yes, that's correct. What else? Daniela?
We can avoid skin diseases.
Yes, exactly. And those are the importance of keeping our five main senses. And do you have any questions about this one, class?
None, Mom.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Now, before I proceed, I will be the one to ask you some questions. What again are the five senses, class? Can you give one, Rose?
Ears.
What else, Jane?
Nose.
What else, Daniela?
Tongue.
Yes, Jessa?
Skin.
And the last one is?
Nose.
Eyes. Okay, very good. So, can you give me the function of nose? Rose?
For smell.
Yes, for smelling. How about the function of our eyes? Yes, Jane?
It to see beautiful things.
Yes, eyes is used for seeing. How about the ears? Our ears. Yes, Daniela?
Use it for hearing sounds.
Yes, our ears is used for hearing. How about the tongue, Jessa?
To taste food.
Yes, our tongue is used to taste food. And how about the last one, the skin? Rose?
To feel.
Yes, our skin is used to feel, touch, or sense. Now, can you give me the effects of keeping our eyes healthy? What is the effect for us when we keep our eyes healthy?
We can see things more clearly, Mom.
Yes, exactly. How about our nose? Jessa? What are the effects of keeping our nose healthy?
Properly, Mom.
Yes, so that we can breathe properly. How about our eyes?
Mom, what's the question again?
What is the effect of keeping our eyes healthy, Jane?
So that we will not be blind. Mom.
Yes, that's right. How about our ears, Daniela?
What is the question again, Mom?
What is the effects of keeping our ears healthy?
Keeping our ears healthy is good to us so that we are able to hear the sounds in our surroundings.
Yes, that's right. And the last one, the skin. What is the effects of keeping our skin healthy?
To avoid, Mom, to avoid rashes.
Yes, avoid rashes or any skin diseases that we can acquire from our environment or surroundings. Now, let's move on. Do you really understood our lesson for today, class?
Yes, Mom.
That's nice to hear. Now, I want you to bring out 1/4 sheet of paper and answer this one. And all you have to do is listen, class. All you have to do is
Match the sense organs from column A with the corresponding functions of each on the column B. So column A are the ears, eyes, skin, tongue, and nose. And all you have to do is to match with the proper usage of it from the column B. Understood, class?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are given 1 minute to answer.
Ma'am,
Yes?
are we going to copy it or just write the number?
Just write the letter of
Okay,
it.
ma'am.
Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take your time.
Okay, we're done, ma'am.
Are you done? Okay, may I collect your papers now? Okay, very good. I will be the one to check it. But do you want to check it, class?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
to see your answer if it is correct. So, ears. Where can we use our ears from these choices?
Drum.
Yes, that's correct. It's for the drum. How about our eyes?
Television.
Television, and its letter
L.
How about the skin? Where can we use it?
Teddy bear.
Yes, the soft teddy bear. Do you get the answers correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice. How about our tongue?
Ice cream.
Ice cream for tasting. Who loves ice cream?
Ma'am.
Oh, we're the same. That's nice. How about our nose?
Flower.
Flower. So do you get it all, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Now let's move on. For further checking on your understanding, please bring out another sheet of paper and copy that one. Just answer it. Just give your answers here in the box provided. All you have to do is, in the first column, draw the 5 sense organs of the body. Listen, class. In the second column, you will going to name the sense organ you draw. And in the last column, give the function of each sense organ. Do you understood, class?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you have any questions about the direction?
None, ma'am.
Okay, you will put here the sense organs you're drawing. And this one is the name of it. And this part is the function.
Ma'am, can I go out?
Yes, now you can go out. You can answer this in 5 minutes. Are you done,
Ma'am,
class?
yes.
Okay.
You're done, Daniela?
Now, are you all throughout?
Yes, ma'am.
How about you, Daniela?
Just a moment, ma'am.
Okay, take your time.
I'm done.
Okay, that's nice. May I collect now your papers? Okay, I'll check this later on. Now, for your assignment, please bring out your notebook and copy it. Bring out your notebook and copy your assignment.
I should block this.
But before you copy your assignment, let's read first the instruction.
Give at least 3 ways on how you should take care of each sense organs. Write your answers on your assignment notebook.
Do you get the instruction, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Just give 3 ways on how we should take care each of these 5 senses. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you may now start copying. Are you done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, may I now ask you to stand up and let us pray. Praise be Jesus Christ.
Now